Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a group chat with multiple people on your Xbox One. So if you want to go ahead and talk to multiple friends at the same time, let's go to the Xbox button and then tab on over to messages, and we can go down to chats, or we can go to start a new chat right here, and then we can choose a friend. Now you can add multiple people to the same chat. So if we go to chats right now, when you choose a friend, you will have the option on the bottom where it says more. We can choose that. And then we can go to create group chat right here. Now we can add another person to this specific group chat. So let's just choose this person and then complete the selection. Now you can see that we have two different people in the new message group right here. And then we can simply send a message and send it on over. Now in here you can see them both listed on the top. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave the big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.